115A FrP bypass. Start by hard resetting. Press power button, volume plus. Release power button. Once the robot is there, repeat the same. Press power and volume plus. You'll have the recovery menu. Use volume down to scroll and power key to select. There you go. Restart your phone, reboot your phone. Remember to subscribe at DISOtronics YouTube channel, DISO_tronics, your home of FrP bypass, FrP bypass masters. In this tutorial, we tried the SIM pin method, where you put a SIM card with a pin number. You press the power button where you're removing the SIM card at the same time. This method couldn't work on this particular model of the phone. It simply can't work. As you can see from the tutorial, you get the message that this notification can't be modified. So you gotta find another route. And that's why I tried the language method. You choose the 6th language from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, choose any country. This is choice of countries. You can choose any. If you don't understand the language, just find any country. Yes, any country. It's difficult when you don't understand some of these languages. Let's choose any. Next, skip SIM card. Connect to a good working Wi-Fi. Smooth running Wi-Fi will be an added advantage. Long press the global icon next to the space. You get English. Long press. That's the password for my Wi-Fi. Here we go. Long press the space bar. Follow the instructions. Next, look for the options with 2 arrows pointing forward and use the top one. Then about, delete or disable apps. Use this one to access Chrome for easier access of downloads. Find YouTube is at the bottom. The second bottom. Notification is the first option. Setting, addition setting, about. This is English. You should be able to read. Terms of service. Type V and ROM has been my savior on APKs. Such a good website. Very effective. Here we only need 2 apps. vnrom.net password. vnrom FrP bypass APK and Apex launcher. That one is not necessary. Not necessary at all. Not necessary. It can be quite confusing at times, but you gotta bear with me. What we need is not FRP bypass APK, but what you can call FRP and VROM APK. It's 28 MB. It's our best bet. Check your downloads from the top. These weren't really necessary. Do away with them. Give it your time depending on the speed of your Wi-Fi. One is true, but we can't install that first. We need to install the environment app first. Allow Chrome, just give permissions, install. Please do not launch. After installation is complete, just cancel. Cancel. Yes. Then Apex launcher. Install. Launch. When installation is complete, I'll open. It is on your far right. There you go. Skip. Next. 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 Back to exit. Home screen. Free trial. Back. Menu. Settings. Change language first to the language of your choice. Yes. System. Gboard at the top. Change language. Add language. And language of your choice. For my case, it's English. Then delete the language you don't need. Delete. Now you have the language of your choice. Go back. Back again. Look for security. Activate admin apps. Device admin apps. Just need this one, but you can just activate all of them. Back. Then go to screen pinning. Put it on. Lock device. Use any option. I choose pattern. Repeat. You don't need to put your other things there. Just restart your phone and you are good to go. Restart your phone. Swipe up. To restart, you need to long press power key, then swipe up to restart your device. It can take time, quite a lot of time. If it takes so much time than expected, you can just long press power key. The phone will just restart. Put your pin or pattern. Start. I think you can follow the rest of the process quite well. I'm not in Paraguay, I'm not in Mexico, not in Maracay, not Jordan, not US. Damn it. I want to go to the Iraq and learn some Malayan language. What an easy task it is. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for this and more. Look at it, you don't have to risk your email account for devices that do not belong to you. Just do your part. Yes. No personal information required. If there is any appreciation you can show, is subscribing to my YouTube channel, diso_tronics, DISO_TRONICS. Choose HOS as your launcher always. Boom, that's it. Like, share,